Affiliate marketing, as we stride into 2026, remains a robust strategy for generating income without the overhead of traditional business models. At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based concept where individuals earn commissions by promoting the products or services of others. This can often seem daunting for newcomers, but the industry's resilience and expansion have made it more accessible than ever before, particularly as technological advancements continue to evolve. The significance of affiliate marketing cannot be overstated, especially as it presents a unique opportunity to tap into the digital economy's growth trajectory. It's an appealing avenue for those eager to capitalize on the rising trends in e-commerce and social media influence without needing to manage inventory or set up a brick-and-mortar store. Moving into 2026, the upward trend in global internet usage, combined with the proliferation of smart devices, ensures that affiliate marketing remains a lucrative and sustainable field for beginners to explore. Real-world applications of affiliate marketing are diverse. Take, for instance, the influence of social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, where influencers seamlessly integrate product recommendations into their content, driving significant traffic and conversions for brands. Another example is the growing use of AI-driven tools in affiliate marketing, allowing marketers to analyze consumer behavior more effectively and personalize their promotional strategies to an unprecedented degree. These applications highlight just how dynamic and versatile affiliate marketing can be when harnessed correctly. While many experts advocate the potential of affiliate marketing, it's important to acknowledge the challenges that beginners might face. The landscape, although abundant with opportunities, is also highly competitive. It requires a solid understanding of online marketing principles and an ability to adapt to ever-changing digital algorithms. Some skeptics argue that the saturation of the market could dilute profit margins, but many see this as a call to innovate and differentiate oneself from the competition. Affiliate marketing also naturally interconnects with other segments of digital marketing, including search engine optimization, content creation, and social media management. These aspects contribute to a comprehensive understanding of how digital ecosystems operate, offering a rich learning platform for those new to the industry. As beginners embark on their affiliate marketing journey in 2026, embracing these interconnections will be key to not just starting, but thriving without a website. By leveraging various digital avenues, any individual can carve out their niche and establish a formidable presence in the bustling world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where individuals, known as affiliates, earn commissions by promoting someone else's products or services. At its core, affiliates leverage platforms to recommend products to their audience. And when someone makes a purchase through their unique affiliate link, the affiliate earns a part of the sales commission. This marketing strategy has grown immensely, offering individuals and businesses alike a way to tap into broader audiences without exuberant advertising costs. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its accessibility. For beginners, it's crucial to grasp that you're not selling a product outright. Instead, you're connecting potential buyers with solutions to their needs, often through reviews, recommendations, or even tutorials. This understanding bridges the gap between consumer needs and product offerings, making it a symbiotic relationship. Its significance in 2026 continues to grow as more consumers shift to online shopping and rely heavily on reviews and personal testimonies before making purchases. An example can be found in influencer partnerships where a social media influencer might promote a particular skincare product. By placing their affiliate links in their bio or posts, followers who trust the influencer's recommendations are more likely to purchase, generating a commission for the influencer. Another example is content creators on platforms like YouTube or Instagram, where affiliate links in video descriptions or swipe-up stories connect educational or entertaining content with actionable purchase opportunities. Supporters argue that affiliate marketing democratizes income opportunities by allowing novices to earn from their passions without the overhead of traditional business models. However, challenges include the market saturation and the need for authenticity. As audiences become more discerning, promoting products disingenuously can alienate followers rather than convert them. Moreover, while having a website can bolster credibility and centralize content, it's not strictly necessary. The rise of social media, video platforms, and even podcasts offers alternative avenues for affiliate promotion. These channels can harness personal branding and engagement directly with target audiences. In conclusion, understanding affiliate marketing basics provides a solid foundation for beginners eager to enter the scene in 2026. It's more than simply sharing links. It involves thoughtfully curating products that resonate with your audience, ensuring authenticity, and taking advantage of platforms where you've already built trust and engagement. Transitioning smoothly into strategies and platforms can transform this knowledge into actionable steps without needing a website, aligning with current technological and cultural shifts. Choosing the right affiliate programs is crucial for success in affiliate marketing, especially when you're starting without a website. Essentially, an affiliate program is a partnership where you promote a company's products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. The right program aligns with your interests and skills. For beginners, it's essential to select programs that offer competitive commissions, have a solid support system, and provide marketing resources like banners, ads, and tutorials. The significance of choosing the right programs can't be understated. It determines not just the potential income you can earn, but also how engaging and enjoyable your campaigns will be. For instance, promoting a niche that doesn't interest you or isn't relevant to your audience can become a tedious task. Moreover, with an audience that doesn't engage or make purchases, you'll struggle to make conversions essential to earnings. A real-world application can be seen in sectors like beauty and fashion, where brands like Glossier have developed affiliate programs with generous commissions and high-demand products, making them attractive for social media influencers. These programs support creatives with high-quality imagery and promotional materials, enabling easy integration into platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Another example is the tech industry, where programs such as Amazon Associates allow beginners to promote a wide range of electronic gadgets. The breadth of products on Amazon gives new marketers flexibility to cater to various interests even without a website, leveraging social platforms or email newsletters. There are, however, challenges to consider. High commission programs often come with high competition, and without a website to drive organic traffic, you rely heavily on personal networks or social presence, which can be limited initially. Some programs may also have strict entry requirements or limited availability in certain regions, which can be a barrier for some beginners. Alternately, some argue for concentrating on a single high-quality affiliate program to master one niche before expanding. This strategy might lead to deeper knowledge, fostering expertise and authenticity in your promotions. Connecting back to the overarching topic, choosing the right affiliate program feeds into your marketing strategy's success. It's the difference between a dedicated clientele versus sporadic interest, determining your potential for sustainable income. As you embark on your affiliate marketing journey in 2026, be selective and align your program choices with your strengths and audiences for the most meaningful impact. Building an online presence without a website might seem challenging at first, but in 2026, there are more tools and platforms than ever that let you showcase your brand and affiliate products effectively. The key is selecting platforms where your target audience spends their time and where your content will thrive. Social media is a powerful starting point. By leveraging networks like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, you can reach large audiences quickly through engaging posts, stories, and videos. Creating authentic and relatable content is crucial, since these platforms thrive on personal interaction and shareable moments. For instance, Instagram allows you to use Reels and Stories to highlight affiliate products through creative demonstrations, while Pinterest acts as a visual search engine, perfect for affiliate links embedded in pins and boards. Another strong option is to harness the power of YouTube. Video content continues to dominate online interactions, with billions of hours consumed daily. As an affiliate marketer, you can create product reviews, unboxings, or how-to guides that seamlessly incorporate affiliate links. For example, tech enthusiasts can showcase gadgets or software, offering honest reviews and linking to where these items can be purchased with an affiliate link in the video description. This not only builds trust with your audience, but creates opportunities for engagement through comments and shares. Developing an online community through platforms like Facebook groups or Discord servers offers another innovative approach. These spaces foster direct engagement with potential customers, enabling personalized recommendations and discussions that can embed affiliate marketing naturally. For instance, a fitness community might share workout plans and, within those conversations, introduce affiliate links to workout gear or supplements that group members find valuable. This organic integration of sales pitches maintains community trust and engagement, key elements in successful affiliate marketing. While building this presence, one potential challenge is establishing credibility and trust without the perceived stability of a personal website. Therefore, consistency in content quality and frequency of interaction is vital, as is transparency about affiliate relationships to maintain authenticity. Exploring partnerships, guest appearances, or collaborations with existing influencers can provide a quick credibility boost and broaden reach. Also, using affiliate network platforms like Amazon Associates or Commission Junction provides structured pathways to find new opportunities without the need for a website. Incorporating all these elements connects directly to the heart of affiliate marketing, maintaining robust, interactive, and relatable connections between the marketer and their audience. This relationship building is essential regardless of the medium, allowing marketers to thrive and succeed even without a traditional website. As technology evolves, these agile, diverse approaches to building an online presence ensure a successful start in affiliate marketing in 2026. Follow and turn on notifications for daily side hustle gems. Need cash flowing today? Head straight to www.kill9to5.com.